the first part of our tongue is the back part of our tongue. And from the back part, there are only two letters which will be pronounced from this part. Okay? The letter kaf and the letter qaf. When the back part of our tongue rise towards the soft part of our mouth, then the letter qaf. Okay, you know that this letter qaf have a thick sound. When the back part of our tongue will rise towards the upper part of our mouth, that is the soft part, then the letter qaf. How can we pronounce qaf? Qaf. When we rise our tongue, then the letter qaf will pronounce. And what's about the second letter kaf? In its pronunciation, our tongue remains in its place. Kaf. You have not to make any effort when you are going to pronounce this letter kaf, because simply we perform and we recite this letter how? Kaf. And the first one, qaf. Kaf, qaf. Kaf, qaf. Okay, and the one golden rule, if you want to know that what is the articulation point of any of the letter, simply you have to join the Hamza Fatha with any of the Arabic letter. How can we pronounce? Hamza, Qaf, Fatha, Aq. Hamza, Qaf, Fatha, Aq. The end point of this word is the articulation point of that letter. Same, aq, ak, aq, ak. You can feel that when the fatha with hamza connect with the letter qaf and with the letter kaf, the end point where you end its pronunciation is the correct articulation point of both letters. Simply I revise, qaf, kaf. Its makharij is the back part of our tongue.